Myself, Amin Shaikh. I am the responsible for the alternate fuel experts in India as well as for the global product, because this is our fisher feeders which we are taking care, and this product is mainly for use for the alternate fuel in place of weighing, dosing, controlling. This type of product we are using. We have a different sector, like this AFLSmidth we support for the FEEDflex, paralyzer, OK raw mill, then crossbar. Then we are there for the all types of the support in the industry for the mainly for the this thing. And also, if you see our product range, it is starting to end up to the packaging we support in the for the cement industry and all this thing. It's good, very good. This time I can see there is a more moment. There are many people are coming, and this is really good. This time I can see it's very good supporting. Yes, thank you very much.